Hello everyone, welcome to 30 Minutes Learning. Today we're going to discuss about array concept in SAPUI5. Actually, SAP given two basic function model for array concept, differentiate and uniqueSort. Differentiate, if you give that two input in that function model, you get the difference between your input. Actually, you can use this function model while compare two different array inputs. Okay. So next, uniqueSort. So uniqueSort, if you give that array input with some duplicate objects, then it will sort that your all object, then remove the duplicate ID, then it will give that unique values in that array. Okay, we're going to check real time in program. Let's go into WebIDE, create a new project from template. Select the SAP UI5 application, click next, project name array, namespace dev, click next, view name v1, okay, finish. Now we're going to create one label and one user input and one button and one output. Okay, let's go into project. Inside that view, going to create label first, text property, user input, input id hyphen input and button, text property unique, and press event on unique, and one output for text id output. Okay, now we created front end and we can create function for this on unique. Okay, going to create new function. Here you need to get input from user based on this id. So first get the user input, this dot get view dot by id dot get value. Then check that value not initial. You can use that if condition. Then we need to use that library for sort. So assign the library in the JavaScript file, uniqueSort. Then I want to add another one variable, output. So here we use that function model uniqueSort and give that user input here. Then we need to assign this output to our text field. So this dot get view dot by id output. Dot set text. Okay, now we just run our application. Click that index.html. Give that user input A1, A2, A3, A1. Click OK. Um, okay, it's not an array. We give to array input. We can convert where new array. We can use that split separated by comma. Then use that new array for input. Then we get that output. This output we're going to bind here. Okay, run again. A1, A4, A3, A1. Okay, I collapse that adder and I give that two duplicate values A1. So click unique. This .getView.byte is not a function. Okay, I forgot to add that parenthesis. Run again. Okay, A1, A4, A3 and A1. Okay, now you see it's first ascending order. First sort that order, then it will remove the duplicates A1. Okay, so first we completed that unique sort, then we're going to check differentiate function. So we need to add that library in our JavaScript file, and as in here. Here we can add one more button. Diff on diff. So here I'm going to create another one new function. Okay, in that function we need to give that array input. So where rolled array, so we can give A1, A2 and A4, A6. Then where new array, you can just copy this adder, then change to 8 and add one more value B1. Okay, now we need to check the difference for these two arrays. We already add that library, we can use that library here. So it returned that difference, so we can store in another one variable output differentiate. So diff, first you need to give that old array, then new array. Then we do that console log first. Okay, so look at our input, old array and new array. Okay, let's run our program. Okay, just click the differentiate button, and now you see you get that output like this way. I just copy this output and I will explain to you how it will working. Okay, first we look at the difference, our old array and new array in our input. So A1 it's same. Next, old array is A2, so here is A8, so it's deleted. Okay, then it will check that next one, so A8 is not there, so it's insert here. So next one A4, so A4 is there, so it's same. Next A6 same, and B1, so this one it's new, so it's insert. We can check that result with simple switch case concept. I will explain you how to check that output. We get that output, we're going to use that each functionality, so it's similar to for loop in JavaScript. So if you don't know, please check my yesterday class. I explained how many ways to you can do your for loop and for and each in SAP. So add that each here. So you can give that each, and first you need to give that input. So our input is this output differentiate, then callback function. So in that function you get that index and value. Inside that loop we can use that switch concept. So switch expression value dot type. Actually this is our output, so based on this output I making this switch case. Then if that value is insert, we need to do some function. We can create another one case. So this case statement we can use insert and delete. So delete function. Okay, take that old array and use that splice concept. You already know that splice concept in JavaScript. So actually splice, you can add value or remove that value in that array. So starting point and n, then value. So if that value, if we give that place with start position something 4, and if we give that n or n value, give that 0, then if we give that any value, new value, it will add in that array. So if you want to delete, this is for add. If you want to delete, you can use that same function, give that next end of n value, it's 1. So 0 means you can add one value, 1 means you can delete without you not need to give any value for delete. Okay, so we take our value dot index, value dot index, this index, then this is for insert. So 0, next new value, so this value taken from this new array. So take this new array and give this index value. Similarly for delete, just remove to 0 to 1 and remove that end value. That's all. Okay, so we can loop and first we console our old array. After looping, we do some changes in that old array. So after changes, what happened, we can see in console. Console log before function run, old array value, this is after function. After function old array. Okay, let's go and refresh our application. Clear that console, click button. Okay, now we get that error, new array is not a function, 38th line. Okay, new array is not a function. Okay, yes, it's not a function, we take value. Alright, actually we need to give that square bracket here. I wrongly given bracket. Refresh application now. Then click differentiate. Okay, why it's calling before, after, after and after. It's calling 3 times after. Switch. Okay, switch, inside I do that console log, that's why it's issue. Outside this for loop, Okay, before that function, after the function. Okay, clear console, unclick. Okay, now that all the output is this, just copy and check here. All the output this, so it's same console log, so it's similar. Next, after function do some logic, we get that new output for all the array. This is new output. So this output, it's similar to new array. So this is the concept for checking uh, our logic. We can do other functions instead of this operation. Okay, that's all guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure you to hit bell icon and turn on notification for my future videos. Thank you. Bye.